What's up YouTube? Biz Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going over Docusign and how to send your wholesaling real estate contracts through Docusign over to your sellers, over to your cash buyers so they can sign electronically. The way Docusign works is that when you upload your agreement, your contract to the platform, you push it out, you email it out, and then directly from that email, your seller can just click a link. It takes them to the Docusign website and they sign. They don't need any account information. They don't need to do anything. Once they sign and complete the document, it's actually sent directly back to you. But I've always had questions from people just asking, okay, how does this work? How can I do it? And just some confusions around the website and just the software of it. And so I'm going to share my screen with you all and show you all how to use this platform. Make sure you all like this video, comment down below and subscribe, and let's get to it. All right, so we're here on Docusign, and right here, this is where you start. You can either start here or you can drag and drop your documents here. So we're just going to click the start button. And then from here, it says what needs to be signed, right? And then you drop your files here or you upload them. So this is my purchase and sales agreement for my wholesaling business. I went over these contracts, this one, and also the assignment on contract. The assignment on contract is what you use between you and the cash buyer. And so I went over this recently, so please be sure to look at my 2024 version of those documents. But yeah, right here, and here's the assignment clause, just going over it quickly with you all. You know, just talking about how the buyer has unqualified rights to assign its rights under this contract to a third party without the seller knowing. And then from there, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to download this as a PDF. So I'm just going to go to File. This is Google Docs, by the way. If you have Microsoft Word, it's essentially the same process. You know how to download a document as a PDF. You should be good. So I'm just going to go to File and go to Download, and then I'll click PDF. And then from here, I can just save it right here. I'm just going to replace it because I already have it down there. And then from there, I'm going to go back to the Docusign website. And by the way, Docusign, since you're going to be the one sending documents, you most likely need an account. And we're going to go over pricing after all of this is done. But there are different tiers, right? That you can choose from on Docusign. And it's pretty self-explanatory, honestly, but I just wanted to go straight to this because I know a lot of you all are looking at this. So I'm just dragging and dropping this. So right here on Google Chrome, it has your recent downloads and you just do that. Or you can just like upload it, you know, it opens up your file explorer and you can find it. And then who needs to sign? You can say, I'm the only signer, but most likely there's going to be two, right? So you can put your name here, right? And then add a recipient. And you can put another person's name. Joe at seller.com. What do you want to tell the recipients? From here, it could be like, if you have any questions, let me know. But usually I don't even put anything because I communicated with the seller already. Hey, I'm sending you this document through email and let me know if you have any questions. So from there, I don't usually put anything there. And then I click next. And then from here, Docusign is going to open up the contract for you to put in where you want sellers to sign, where you want yourselves to sign. So right here, it has my name and it has the document here. So let's actually zoom this out. It's kind of big. And then from here, I'm going to click signature because me as the buyer, I want to sign. So I have my name right here and then Joe's down there. So I'm just going to click signature. I'm going to put it right here. So that's where I sign. And then I want date signed also. So I'm just going to put it right there. And then for Joe, same thing, signature. But I had to switch to Joe. right? To indicate this part is for Joe, not for me, right? Because Joe is the seller, right? If you're sending your assignment on contract, you're going to have another person's name for the buyer. And then date signed, boom, from there. And then from there, you send. That's all you have to do. And that's essentially it. So let me see. I know I had a fake email, but let's see. It's preparing and it's sent. All right. Hopefully that's a fake email address. So nobody really looks at it or does anything to it or to my email. But let's view the different plans that they have. So on Docusign, as with any software company, there are different tier levels, right? You have personal, 5 envelopes per month. This one, $25 per month. This is what I usually have and what I usually use. I may be able to do personal, honestly, because I don't use it as much as I thought I would. E-signature and real estate. So this is another part where they talk about different things, that is more catered towards real estate investors, real estate people, whether they're realtors or investors. And then e-signature. So honestly, if you're not going to do much deals electronically, you're going to meet with the seller and you're not going to do all that jazz, then I would just go here. Now, something else that you have to recognize with Docusign is look at manage. And then right here, now you have to sign because you still haven't signed. You just sent the document in. So when I went back to manage, I have to sign it. And so from here, I'll click sign, right? Or it's actually going to end up in my email address and I have to click sign. So from here, I'm going to click sign. And then it highlights where I need to sign it. All I have to do is just click and then finish. That's all I'm going to have to do for this document in order to put my signature in. And so it's pretty self-explanatory. And if you want to cancel it, you can void it, you can export it, you can delete it, all these different things. So I'm just going to void it right here. To wrong email, void, something like that. So now it's voided and that's done. And they actually gave me my send back. So that's good. And so that's how you use Docusign to send your purchase and sales agreement over to your seller. And same thing with your cash buyer. It's the same exact process. All right, you all, let me know if you have any questions on the Docusign website and how to use it, how to send documents, and things of that nature. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you have any other questions, and I'll talk to you all later.